Then yaar, this city is literally killing me. I just came back from the market and my throat feels like I swallowed smoke.
Bro, calm down and have some water. You look like you have just been through ringer.
What? Been through what?
Bro, it's an idiom. To be through the ringer. It means to go through with a tough situation or unpleasant experience. And that's what pollution feels like, right?
Oh yeah, by the way, the air outside is no less than a torture chamber in Delhi.
You know, Jatin, pollution isn't just in the air, it's everywhere. It's our habits too. We humans have really dug our own graves.
Dug our own graves. That means we are responsible for our own problems, right?
Exactly. We cut trees, burn plastic, and then complain about bad air. Bro, it's like shooting ourselves in the foot. Another idiom means hurting yourself by your own actions.
Wow, English भी सीख गया और life lesson भी मिल गया. But this air honestly feels like ticking time bomb.
Nice, yeah. That's a great idiom too. A ticking time bomb. It means a problem which is waiting to explode if not handled soon. And pollution is exactly that.
You know, as a kid, I never thought hair could become this dangerous. Now even breathing feels like walking on thin ice.
Bro, wow, yaar. Perfect use again. Walking on thin ice. It means living in the risky situation. We all are walking on thin ice, with our health, with our choices, and even with nature.
So what do? Wear mask forever?
Arey no, yaar. We need to take the bull by horns. That means facing the problem bravely instead of running from situations. Small actions can make a big difference, like planting trees, carpool, taking care of nature.
I think you are right. We have been turning blind eye to pollution for too long.
Exactly. Turning a blind eye. It means ignoring something very important intentionally. But it's time to open our eyes and our heart for this planet.
So today, I learned not only about pollution, but I also learned about these important idioms. Let me recall. First, been through ringer. Second, dug our own graves. Third, shooting ourselves in the foot. Fourth, a ticking time bomb. Fifth, walking on a thin ice. And sixth, take the bull by the horns. Seventh, I guess, last but not the least, turning a blind eye.
Perfect, yaar. You just turned a polluted day into a productive day.
And to everyone watching, don't let your habits pollute your life or your language.
Learn, grow, and act before it's too late.